Alright guys, we got this 2004 Toyota 4Runner, and the LED lights on the climate control unit right there does not work. So let me go around. We're gonna go inside the car. I'll put on the lights and I will show you what's not working. Alright guys, so the lights on this climate control does not work. Alright, the LED lights that are in regular bulbs, I don't know if they're LEDs, but the customer brought something. I have it here. Alright, these are the little miniature bulbs right there. Alright, I'll post a link, and I believe he bought it from Amazon. I'll find out and I will let you know, guys, if you guys need these bulbs. There's a whole bunch of them in there. Alright, so pretty much there's bulbs behind this, so I had to remove this little console here, the climate control unit, and replace the bulbs. Alright, these are the bulbs, and I'm gonna remove everything and I will show you exactly what I did, and you can follow the steps. All right, but before that, let me turn on the car. I'll show you what's not working. I'm gonna turn off my light, that way it's dark but you will see all this. All right, got the car on, guys. Let me turn the key off, and if I put the key on, all you have is one light here, and if I put on the headlight, all you have is this illuminating right here, but none of this comes on. All right, and so we're gonna replace a whole bunch of bulbs behind this and see how that works out, guys. But anyways, let's continue. All right guys, so to remove a climate control unit, there's supposed to be a screw right down there. You see that hole right there? It's missing, but all you do is pop open this tray right here. So pretty much this tray opens up and give you the access to that. But anyways, let me put my camera right here. Once you remove that little guy, and all you're gonna do is you're gonna grab this and yank this. All right, I already did it, pre-did it, and right in the back you're gonna see like these little retainers right here. So it's all held in by this. There's one over there. All right, and there's one or two on the top, and that's it, guys. And what we can do is just simply disconnect this little guy. All right, I don't want to drop the camera. Oh god. There you go, guys. Right in back of this, you have a whole bunch of bulbs. All right, so we're gonna take this on the bench and we'll do it right there, and we'll replace each and every single one of these. All right, and it is what it is. He brought me the pieces, so all we're gonna do is put them in. See these little guys right here, the circular holes right here, that's where the bulbs are. You could turn it with a flathead screwdriver. All right, so let me go over to the bench and we'll continue. All right guys, so let's start off by removing one of this. All you do is you take a flathead screwdriver, and all you're gonna do is you're gonna twist this. All right, and you should be able to get the bulb out. And there's the bulb, guys. There's like a metal contacts, that's all it does, makes contacts there. So it's gonna be hard to tell which bulb is out, which is not out. So here's my package with a whole bunch of bulbs, guys. Oh my god, it's a serious package right there. All right, so what I'll do is I'll take my hand, I'm gonna remove them all. All right guys, and I'm gonna put them to the side over here, just like so right there, guys. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna look at this old bulb, and I'm gonna take the new bulb. They look the same. All right, same, guys. All right, all you need to do is twist it on. You put this in there, and it twists on, guys. Very simple, right? Go to the next one, remove it, same way. All right, it's loose, but they're stuck, you know. So there's the second one, guys. So this is like a kit, you know. So far we put one in it. You see there's one left over there, right in the center. So I believe the kit they bought is pretty much made for this. So this is the second bulb I'm taking off, and I'm putting it over there. And I'll take the second bulb, Alright, so this thing has like a little regular clip-on things right there, and what I'll do is simply is twist it back on. Alright guys, so far looking good guys. Go to the next one, twist it off. Alright, just take it easy with the circuit board. You don't want to damage the circuit board. It's like a, pretty much this is like a small little circuit board. Alright, and there it comes guys. So the next one is this one right here, and you're just gonna match up the color guys. Put it to the side, and we're gonna take this bulb, stick it in there in the housing, and what we'll do is we'll twist it on. There you go. Alright, and what we're gonna do is we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 more, and he got a whole bunch of bulbs here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7. All right, so there's no more. That's all we got in this. So maybe there's spares in there. So let's go to the next one guys. Let's see what this one look like. Oh, this is a long one right there guys, and he has the same bulb, similar. All right, and okay, look at the difference. Look at the color there guys. Look at the color, and look at the color of this one right here. Right, so I'm gonna use the same color code. All right, I'll take this one out of here. I'll put this one onto it. This is a good idea for me to stick it here, push it in there. Oops, I guess I'm gonna do it by my fingers. And same thing guys, twist it on. Next one comes out, and this one is a dark green, the body, and plus this green from the tip. So this goes in there. Pretty smart guy who bought this, Mr. Manesh. He's a doctor, should be a mechanic. I've done a few of these long time ago in the cluster panel, and usually you get the wrong bulbs. I guess you got to go to those forums like he always tells me. Here's another one guys. Take the same color code. Alright, so this is dark green. Let me just match up the color here. It's not green, it's the light one right here, the gray one. Alright, so this will go in there, and it will twist in there. Right, 2 more left guys. So I'll take this one. Some of these bulbs might not be blown, but once you have it open, if you have a kit like that, might as well just change it all. Right, and twist that one on. Let's twist this one off. Alright guys, and we'll take this one, put this in guys, and that's it. Alright, everything is done. Only thing I don't like about this one right here is, see how these are all straight, like negative sign? This one's not. So let me just take it out. Let me reinstall this guy, different angle, because I don't want to put it in and it doesn't work. Guys, it's gonna stay like that. All right, so let me try this on, and then we'll look at it, how it looks guys. All right, so we're gonna go back to the car. All right guys, back in the car. We're gonna take our cluster panel, not cluster panel, I'm sorry, the climate control unit, and I'm gonna take the connector, just stick it in there. All right, so all I'm doing is putting the connector in guys, click it in. I'm not gonna stick it in, I'll just leave it right there, not too hard, not too soft. All right, now what I'll do is I'm gonna turn off my light here, and I'll put in the key. You see some of these lights already illuminated, that wasn't working before. But anyways, I'm gonna turn on the headlights, and all this should illuminate here. There you go guys, it's all illuminated. The camera is hard to catch, but you can see it. You see that? High, low, right there. I can see it pretty good. Temperature up, down. All right, it's illuminated. You just can't see it like with the camera, but it's all working already. All right, and that's it, guys. That's how you're gonna change the bulbs on this control unit here, climate control unit. So if you guys have any questions, please send me a message, and if you need any help, I will send you a message. All right, and all you need to do is subscribe to my channel. It's free. If you like this video, share it with your friends, and if you have any other questions besides this, you can send me a message. All right, so bye bye guys, and I will see you on the next one.